I just arrived at my room at Haven Resorts in the Riviera Cancun. I'm going to show you what the room and the bathroom look like. This is the bathroom. Very, very large shower. And here's the little secret box. When you have room service delivered, they don't even knock on the door. They put it in here, and then when you're done, you just put your plates in there and they take them away. I have a closet over here with robes and slippers, and even a scale if you want to weigh yourself while you're here. And over here is a little setup with a coffee machine and some snacks. And then we have a refrigerator down below that has some beers and sodas and water. They have 24-hour room service here. They even give you a welcome bottle of tequila. And then in here, we have drawers and shelving and the safe. And then this is the room. Nice flat screen TV. There's a ceiling fan up there. And then this is my view. There's a nice jacuzzi tub out on the balcony. This is one of the pools. They have two. And they have a nice little couch here to sit on. There's the view of the ocean. So hopefully while I am here, I have a little bit of time to enjoy that. This is the view walking back into the room. And I'll be posting lots of pictures later.